Hi, welcome to Dwayne's CB channel. In front of you today we have a Midland, a position series 3100 series, 301, whatever it is, model number. Got it from eBay, and obviously it wasn't working, only this display and the channel was on. The speaker was disconnected and a few pots has been changed. Right, this is obviously this is an AM rig, not 27 meg. Well, it is 27 megs or 26 mode. It's on the mid block, which means it's American radio. So let's try and see if it's doing its job right now. Right, let's just call this other person. 26 Charlie Tango 3052. Do you copy?
Yeah, copy, Dwayne. You're about £8, but maybe a radio too. Yeah, I hope I'm coming over well anyway, so yeah, shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, Roger. Well, your audio's nice. Your audio's nice, nice and clear in sunny old Felixstowe. And yeah, well, I'm pleased it's doing something, but maybe it just needs to tweak up and see what's going on. But we did try the Bowie, and it was sort of a better. But obviously, this is an actual genuine radio, isn't it? You know, they pick it up from America, don't they? So, well, thank you for the old test test, Scotty boy. You called my name, so I call your name. And I'm pleased you gave me a check over, and I don't know what I'll do. I should end up with a video after your last call.
Yeah, no worries. That was a bit better that over. That was sort of like Radio 4, but you need to stay close to that mic or turn it up. You keep wandering away from the mic and it's very difficult to hear you, but yeah. You know, I mean, you are there, but it's just difficult, whether that's conditions, atmospheric or what, I don't know.
Yeah, Roger. Well, thank you, Scott, for taking part of the video on YouTube, and I do appreciate the radio test on Dwayne's CB channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Cheers, Ryan. 7-3.
Well, that is the Midland 3001 mid block. It's not FM. It's just an ordinary AM rig. Very pleased with it. The condition's good. The channels change over. You know, you can change the channels. Sorry about the autofocus. I've got to sort this out. It's just ridiculous. The camera's not as good as it should be. You only have to move something and it disappears. Right, well, that's it from Dwayne's CB channel. Hope it's been helpful for you, and we'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, and obviously I'm trying to get this camera to work properly. We just try it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Well, anyway, we had the range test. Is Scott's roughly about 7 or 8 miles away from me. All right, thank you. Cheers. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. My thumb is there. Don't forget, thumbs up and say hello to me. If you've got any more queries, just text me on the old YouTube channel and say hi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.